Hello everybody, and this is Chris.
And this is Melissa.
And together we are the Marlowe Factor. Hey everybody, today we're over at Pine Mountain, and well, we were going to hit a waterfall today, but due to Melissa's surgery, the doctor don't want her heart rate to get up over 100, so we decided we'd just take our sweet little time and come out down here to Pine Mountain.
Slowly but surely.
And we're going to do the Mountain Creek Nature Trail. It's like 3.8 is what I think I seen on the map. So anyway, let's go on down the trail and see what we can see. Let's go. Well, here we are, guys. What a beautiful day to go out for a hike. Nice little wooden bridge. No, love, we went a different way. Follow the red line. Yes, guys. So we're on the loop. So when you're down here doing the Mountain Creek loop, look for the red blazes, guys. And they're very well marked. So there's a red blaze there. Normally just right up from there, there's another red blaze. It's like right there on the other tree, right there. There's the next red blaze. Right up there. It's very well marked. Awful quiet. Look at all the ferns and stuff, love. Look at all the ferns.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's real green down here right now, guys. It's good to see Melissa back out here on the trail.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. It's good to see her out here. It makes me smile. Look at the blowdowns, guys. There's a funny looking tree. Look at that. The big old knob on it. See it? Right here. Yeah, the tumor tree, guys. Check it out. It's kind of squirrely and going up. Check it out. Wow, guys, it's peaceful and it's quiet. Today's Monday, and I wanted to come out here when it's just peaceful and quiet. Last time Melissa was out on a trail, it was leaves weren't on trees yet. So this is her first hike, really, when there's even any luscious green leaves on trees. It's a different look, ain't it, love? And guys, once again, it's very well marked. Once again, see right there, there's another red blaze. Follow the red blaze. And the red blazes mark the loop.
We are the two hike today.
Oh, I'm sure there's other people out on the trail. Just we might be the ones doing the loop right now, maybe. There's people out in front of us probably somewhere. beautiful back here.
It had deer.
Oh, there's deer here.
Up there.
Could be. All right, everybody, we're going to do a little walking, and we'll be back. All right, everybody, here we are back. What do you think so far? Man, let me tell you, the water's flowing good. We've had some rain over here the last few days, and definitely got water. Here's along the creek. If you hike along the back. I gotta get this straight, guys. I'm sorry. There we go. That's better. So now we're just hiking along here. It's peaceful, it's quiet. Look at all the ferns, guys. What? Limbo! Look at you, love. Oh my gosh. Yeah. The red blaze. Follow the red blaze. Along the creek. Keep going. You're doing good. You know, guys, it really feels good to be out. So beautiful. Me and Fred were out here last weekend over here at a campsite over here, which I'm at. If you've seen my short, you kind of seen it a little bit. Nice little campsite. You can have 4 tents out on it. It's right here along the loop. It's up here a little bit, but you know, you got good source to water. It's right along the creek, maybe 30 yards. Beautiful and peaceful. And once again, it's very well marked out, the blazes, so you know you're on the right trail.
Any flowers yet?
Not yet, huh? You see a lot of ferns, don't you? If you like ferns, you'd like it out through here right now. Hold on now. Look, what's this say? Brown thrasher. The brown thrasher can hop from one leg to another, putting your arms straight out to your sides. Put one knee up. Now hop onto your other foot. Pulling your knee up. Try this 10 times in a row. Go. Let's go. That's right. This right here, guys, says, see? It says Mountain Creek Trail, 3.2 mile loop. We go this way. So let's go. Because right there, let's go.
You can put your phone there. It's a pretty water.
Oh, there's a little bit of mountain laurel.
What kind of flower is this?
Just the sound of the stream running, guys, is just so peaceful. Just to be out in nature. This Pine Mountain Trail loop has a lot to offer. If you just got a couple hours to just get out and enjoy. Oh, look at that big blowdown, love. Big blowdown. Look at that, guys. Blowdown off the side of the trail. Big old root ball, huh? Well, all right, guys. We're going to keep on moving. Guys, here we are, still hiking along this luscious green forest here in the mountain. On the Pine Mountain Trail, on the Pine Mountain Creek Trail loop. It's beautiful out here. You guys can hear all the birds. It's just gorgeous. Feels good to be back on trail again. What do you think of it so far, love? You like it, huh? Beautiful out here, peaceful.
This is the easy trail.
Yeah, it's pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Nice and relaxing. Streams going, another stream going through. You still, once again, you still know you're going the right. We're going the correct way, cuz red blaze. Alright, here we are, guys. Had some technical difficulties when on trail with the GoPro, so please excuse me. But here Melissa and I are now. We are now at Carl's Cove trail. Really nice little trail. They say it's an ADA trail. I'd say parts of it probably is an ADA trail, but we now have decided that we're going to stop and we're going to have ourselves a little trail lunch. And instead of having just your everyday freeze-dry meal, that we have like a backpacker's meal. We're actually just gonna, Melissa here, ramen. So she has some leftover ramen here from
fried rice.
Hungry Station last night.
Fried rice.
And me, I got the fried rice. And it's the steak and shrimp fried rice. And Melissa's ramen here is, what kind of ramen is this, love?
I don't remember the name.
It's some kind of a Korean pork ramen.
I don't know.
Yeah, but anyway, she really loves it. So we're like, Lord, we'll just heat it up in the jet boil. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And if you look behind me here, that's some kind of an old fireplace, I believe it was. I don't know the whole history on it, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, and then for dessert,
Ice cream.
yeah, she'll get the backpacker's ice cream. So Melissa, she loves the vanilla. So anyway, Melissa, there's the vanilla, and then there's the
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chip mint. Yum. This. All right, everybody. Well, here we are. We are now done with Carl's Cove. It was an easy hiking trail. It was beautiful back there. All in all, we did over 4 miles. Now we just gotta walk this down. I think probably another mile or so down this road and to our car, which is over at the trading post. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry once again, this GoPro. We're probably going to make some switches on it. So thanks, and once again, remember, life is a journey. Live it.